At Prestigio Solutions, we believe that communication is the heartbeat of progress, whether in business, education, or government. That's why we provide cutting-edge technological solutions that help organizations engage, inform, and inspire like never before. Since 2013, we have emerged as a trusted partner to thousands of companies and institutions striving to elevate their message and make a lasting impact. Trusted by over 20,000 customers worldwide. From dynamic corporate boardrooms to immersive digital classrooms, more than 30,000 of our screens are already transforming the way the world communicates. Our comprehensive ecosystem built on a legacy of quality, innovation, and global reach. Headquarters in Cyprus, presence in 34+ countries across EMEA, state-of-the-art production facilities in Europe and China, 2,600+ employees dedicated to excellence. 4 major distribution hubs ensuring fast, reliable global delivery. We understand that downtime is not an option. That's why our modern production lines, featuring automated robotics and rigorous quality control, deliver a product failure rate of under 1%. In our spotless manufacturing premises, each device is crafted using A-grade open-cell panels from the top manufacturers for exceptional clarity, performance, and durability. Perfect for even the most demanding environments. Focus on quality is at the core of everything we do, with manufacturing processes that adhere to the highest international standards and a strong commitment to delivering impactful technology solutions. Whether you're looking to modernize your workplace, revolutionize your classrooms, or enhance customer engagement, Prestigio Solutions is here to make it happen.